Hey kids! Today we are going to explore the magical world of colors with some fun and easy science experiments. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, let's change the color of water. What you'll need: some clear glasses, water, and different food coloring. Fill each glass halfway with water. Now add a few drops of red food coloring into the first glass. What's happening? The water turns red. Next, let's try blue. Add a few drops of blue food coloring to the second glass and voila! Blue water. Isn't that cool? Now mix red and blue coloring in the third glass. What color do you see? Yes, it's purple. You just made a new color by mixing two primary colors. Let's move on to another fun experiment. You'll need milk, a dish, food coloring, and some liquid soap. Pour milk into the dish just enough to cover the bottom. Add 1 drop of each food color in different spots around the milk. Now take a cotton swab, dip it in liquid soap, and touch the center of the milk. Watch the magic happen. The colors start to swirl and dance around. This happens because the soap breaks down the fat in the milk, causing the colors to move. It looks just like a colorful rainbow. Our last experiment needs a white carnation flower, a glass of water, and different food coloring. Cut the carnation stem into 3 parts and place each part in separate glasses filled with different colored water. Leave it overnight and see what happens. The next day, your white carnation will have changed colors. The flower absorbs the colored water through its stem, transforming its petals. Amazing, isn't it? So there you have it, kids, some exciting and colorful experiments you can try at home. Remember to have fun and always ask an adult for help. See you next time with more magical experiments.